Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How to fix Samsung remote is not working. If your Samsung TV remote isn't working, it can disrupt your viewing experience. The issue could stem from battery problems, connectivity issues, physical damage, or software glitches. Below are 10 practical troubleshooting steps to fix a malfunctioning Samsung remote, compiled from reliable sources and tailored for clarity and effectiveness. These steps apply to both standard infrared (IR) remotes and newer Bluetooth-based smart remotes, including solar cell models. 1. Check the batteries. The most common reason for a Samsung remote not working is dead or improperly inserted batteries. For remotes with replaceable batteries, AA or AAA, open the battery compartment and ensure the batteries are correctly aligned with the positive and negative terminals. Replace them with fresh alkaline batteries, as Samsung recommends, and avoid mixing old and new batteries. For solar cell remotes, check the battery level by navigating to Settings and GT, All Settings and GT, General and AMP, Privacy and GT, Power and energy saving on your TV. If the charge is low, place the remote in direct sunlight or indoor light with the solar panel facing up, or charge it via the USB-C port until the red charging light turns off. Test the remote afterward. 2. Verify the infrared (IR) signal. For non-Bluetooth remotes, the IR signal may be the issue. To test, use a smartphone camera, front or back. Point the remote's top edge at the camera lens, press the power button, and look at the camera screen. If you see a colored light, usually purple or white, the IR signal is working. If no light appears, replace the batteries and try again. If there's still no light, the remote may be defective, and you should consider a replacement. For smart remotes using Bluetooth, skip this step unless the remote has reverted to IR mode, indicated by a flashing red light. 3. Repair the smart remote. If you have a Samsung smart remote, Bluetooth enabled, often used with 2016 or newer models, it may have unpaired from the TV. To repair, turn on the TV, stand within 1 foot of it, and press and hold the return and play, pause buttons, or back and enter on some models, for 3 to 5 seconds until a pairing notification appears on the TV screen. Follow any on-screen instructions. If pairing fails, try resetting the remote first. See Step 4. Ensure no obstacles block the TV's sensor, typically near the Samsung logo. 4. Reset the remote. Resetting can resolve glitches in both standard and smart remotes. For standard remotes, remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 8 to 20 seconds to discharge residual power, then reinsert fresh batteries. For smart remotes, 2016 and newer, press and hold return and enter, or the button to the right of the 123 button, for 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. Afterward, attempt to repair the remote. Step 3. This clears electronic glitches without affecting TV settings. 5. Check for obstructions and interference. IR remotes require a clear line of sight to the TV's sensor, often located near the Samsung logo. Remove any objects, e.g., soundbars, decorations, between the remote and TV. For Bluetooth smart remotes, ensure the remote is within 20 feet, 6 meters, of the TV, as walls or furniture can weaken the signal. Electronic devices like fluorescent lights, radios, or other Bluetooth gadgets can cause interference. Temporarily turn off or move these devices and test the remote again. 6. Clean the remote and TV sensor. Dirt, dust, or grime on the remote's IR transmitter, top edge, or the TV's sensor can block signals. Gently clean the remote's transmission window with a soft, dry cloth. For the TV sensor, wipe around the Samsung logo or sensor area. Check your TV's manual for its exact location. Avoid using liquids to prevent damage. If corrosion is visible in the battery compartment, carefully clean it with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol, ensuring safety precautions against battery acid. 7. Update TV firmware. A software glitch in the TV can cause remote issues. Check for updates by navigating to Settings and GT, Support and GT, Software Update and GT, Update. Now using the TV's physical buttons or the SmartThings app if the remote is unresponsive. Ensure the TV is connected to the Internet, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Install any available updates, as they may include bug fixes for remote connectivity. Enable auto update to prevent future issues. 8. Restart the TV. A power cycle can fix temporary software bugs. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on using the TV's physical power button. Test the remote afterward. Alternatively, use the SmartThings app to restart the TV remotely. This resets the TV's system without erasing settings or apps. 9. Test with another remote or the SmartThings app. To isolate the issue, try using another compatible remote, e.g., a universal remote or another Samsung remote. If it works, your original remote may be faulty. Alternatively, download the SmartThings app on your iOS or Android device. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, and add the TV under Devices and GT, Add Device. Use the app's virtual remote to control the TV. If the app works, the issue is likely with the remote itself. 10. Contact Samsung support or replace the remote. If none of the above steps work, the remote may be defective, or the TV's IR, Bluetooth receiver could be faulty. Contact Samsung support via their website, samsung.com/support, live chat, or by calling 1-800-SAMSUNG. Provide your TV model number and describe the troubleshooting steps you've tried. If the remote is confirmed defective, purchase a replacement from Samsung's spare parts page or an authorized retailer. Check your TV's warranty for potential free replacements. Additional tips: if your TV has a Deco TV frame, ensure the remote is in Bluetooth mode, as IR mode may only work at very close range. Unlatch the frame's bottom to expose the TV's sensor during pairing. Universal remote issues. If using a universal remote, reprogram it with the correct Samsung codes from the remote's manufacturer. Some features may not work fully. SmartThings app as a permanent solution. For recurring issues, consider using the SmartThings app as a reliable alternative to a physical remote. It uses Wi-Fi, bypassing IR or Bluetooth problems. These steps cover most Samsung TV models, but specific instructions, e.g., button combinations or sensor locations, may vary. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.